Hey everyone! So today we have an canvas and we are going to do a ring pour. I already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray so I can get all the paint out. And today's colors are Creative Inspirations Pearlessence, Soho Olive Green, Craftsmart Gold, Lucas Mint, Deco Art Dark Patina, and white. So I'm going to go right in this order with some white. And I am tipping my cup sideways. Let me move this back and then you can watch. Dark Patina, Lucas Mint, Craftsmart Gold, Soho Olive Green, Pearlessence. We'll skip the white this time. Dark Patina, Lucas Mint, Craftsmart Gold. This is just a highlight color for us. Soho Olive Green, Pearlessence. I think we need just a little bit more. So go back with the Dark Patina and the Mint. The Gold, Olive Green, and the Pearlessence. Okay, we should have plenty of paint now. I'm going to pinch my cup, and we're just going to pour. Okay. So let me give that a quick little torch, get some bubbles out. Now the Pearlessence should fall like the white does. It won't sit on top. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take it right off the sides. The thing with ring pours, you don't want to use your cuppy hands because you may end up with lines on the corners. Unless you absolutely have to. If you don't have enough paint, then you're going to have to. This is when I like to turn it around and look at it and decide what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. I'm not digging all that white up on top there. So I want to bring it down. But I love this. There's a band here with that olive green that I'd love to open up. Let's get it back in the middle and see if we can take some more off the corners. right there. It's funny how when you're tilting, you'll be like, oh, right there. Don't move it. Don't move it. Yeah, I like that. All right, let me torch it and see if I can get a little bit of this air out. There is a bump right here. Nope. Thought it was a clump, but it's not. I have everything covered, and it's looking pretty good. Let me give you a close-up. So this will dry a little darker because of the olive green and the dark patina, so it's going to look totally different when it's dry. But subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell for notifications when we upload new videos. Click like and share. Oh, I'm getting a heartbeat. Sorry. It's got to be those little metallics in there. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook at the Barrage Posse. Shop with us on Amazon for your painting supplies. Hit us up on Etsy if you want to buy paintings. We have coasters and jewelry as well. Stone Coat Art Coat Resin Coat is below. Our fan mail P.O. box is below. We also have prints and items for sale through Redbubble and Teespring. So check out all those links. We have lots of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.